The purpose of this video is to show you the benefits of the Hugo Industries triple AK mag insert, as well as a pro tip on how to install this and any other insert into your chest rig. So this right here is the Hugo Industries triple AK mag insert. It's basically used to go into your favorite chest rig in there. The benefits of this insert over any other insert or one of your more popular inserts. Let me see if I can find one here. There it is. For example, the typical, AR-15 5.56 mag insert is as follows. So these are great for AR mags, but not so much for the AK mags, and I'll show you why here. So let me remove these first. Alright, so first off, inserting the AK mags. The problem with AK mags is these edges or lips that they have on either side. These tend to catch real easily on the webbing or elastic in these inserts. So the first problem comes with the insertion. You'll see here it catches right there on the edge. It makes it difficult to insert sometimes, depending on how you do it. So if you do it like this, it gets in there a little easier. The second problem is once it's in there, it's basically rubbing against the elastic the whole time. So you can see it on this side better. It's basically rubbing while it's going in, which also makes it more difficult. There you go. You see it's catching there. See that right there? See? So it's catching on the fabric. But the real big problem is once they're all inserted, you can kind of see that it exacerbates the issue. Let me see if I can focus here. There you go. When you have one magazine next to the other, now you start noticing you have a tab grabbing onto the other tab of the other magazine. You can see that. Let me get right there. The lighting. So that's one issue. The other issue is as you go to draw, I'm just gonna bend it like this to show you. This lip right here will catch right there. When you have it like this, spread out and separated, it's not as big of an issue, although it's still difficult to get out. When they're like this together, pressing up against each other, which is how they'll be when they're in the chest rig, it'll get stuck in there pretty bad. And so that's basically what we set out to solve with our AK mag insert. So let's show you exactly how that works with our insert. Well, there you go. It took yeah, it's not fun using AR inserts for AK mags. So with the Hugo Industries insert, you don't have the, let me bring this back here. You don't have this part of it because for AK mags it's not needed. What's really needed is the guiding feed lip here on either side. So now you'll see here, inserting this one, there is absolutely no issue. Nothing gets caught up, nothing catches, there's no tabs rubbing on the fabric. It's basically being guided in the whole time with this polymer here. So that goes in nice and easy, that goes in nice and easy, all the way to the third one. And then when they're all together like this, you'll see it's impossible for that edge right there, or that lip, to catch with this one, or this one to catch with that one. You can see how easy It's basically being guided the whole way. There's absolutely no way that this is going to snag. Doesn't matter which one you take out first, because that's another thing. With the other inserts, you kind of have to go this one first, then that one, then that one. Otherwise, it gets really difficult to take them out. With this, not the case. So that's basically the benefit and the issue we were trying to solve with this insert. And now, for those of you that stuck around this long, here's a pro tip on how to install this insert, or any other insert for that matter, into your chest rig. I learned this from some other video, so I can't take credit for it, but I thought I'd pass along this nice little trick. Get a box, a folder, or even paper will work, and just cut out a rectangle that's roughly the shape of your chest rig. And then what you want to do is just insert this side here, insert this here, and then that'll prevent the Velcro from attaching to the sides before you've set this in place. So now I can come here, make sure there, and then push it down. You always want to insert these inserts with the magazines in there so that you make sure they go all the way down. So there you go. And then once you're done, just pull this out, press it, and now you have a perfectly installed insert, nice and velcroed in there. So these are AK mags, but they're 20 round AK mags, that's why they don't stick out more. And here you can see it come out super easy, no hang-ups. And then when you want to insert them, same thing, no issue. So there you have it. That's the Hugo Industries triple AK mag insert.